Welcome students. Today's our topic is red level, and in the red level we are studying the RAID 6. So RAID 6 is increasing reliability but utilizing the two PDT strips, which allows for two disk failures within the RAID set before data is lost. So RAID 6 is normally seen in the SATA environment, that is serial ATA environment, and solutions that requires the long data retention period, such as the data archiving or disk backup or disk based backup. Okay, so RAID 6 is a RAID 5 is like the RAID 5. Okay, but the parity data are written in two drives. That is important things. So that means if requires at least four drive and can withstand two drive, that is dying simultaneously. So the chances of two drives break down at exactly the same moment are of course very small. So however, if the drive in the RAID 5 system dies and it replaced by a new drive, and it take the more time, that is the hours or even more, that is almost the day to rebuild the swapped drive. So if another drive dies during that time, we still lose all of our data. So with RAID 6, the RAID array will even survive that the second failures. So this is the that's why it's increasing the reliability of the disk drive. Now we see the advantages and disadvantages of RAID 6. Advantages of RAID 6, that is like the RAID 5, the read data transaction are very fast. Another advantages is if two drive fails, we still have access to all data even while the failed drives are being replaced. So the RAID 6 is more secure than the RAID 5. Another is the disadvantages of RAID 6. In this, the RAID write data transactions are slower than the RAID 5 due to the additional parity data that have to be calculated. So uh, it is to be, you can say almost, the report says that the read and write performance, that is the write performance was around 20% lower. Okay, because of reading is very fast but the writing of the data is slower due to the additional parity, and this is the lower the performance is about 20%. Okay, another is drive failures have an effect on throughput. Although this is acceptable, but still, due to this throughput effects, the driver failure, that is the overall disk throughput is being affected. Another is this is a complex technology, and the rebuilding of array of one drive fail can take a long time. It may take several hours or up to the whole day also. So these are the disadvantages. Thank you to all of you.